G'day guys, welcome to Waikato Sheds Christmas Party. We're here, you might have seen me swinging out the side on that side cart. Absolutely fantastic, come on down, Hunter Road, Eureka, it's all happening. See you soon.
Merry Christmas, and what an intro there from Mark. Sean, cheers.
Cheers, Jace.
It's been a great year. We're having our staff Christmas party. Come on a tour and see what's going on in the wonderful world of Waikato Sheds. We're here in the office. It's pretty empty, it's pretty abandoned, but I spot some kids hanging out in the front in the meet and greet room. Should we go and see how they're enjoying the Christmas party?
See if they like the Christmas tree. Is any presents? I don't know.
Yeah, it's Broneks been a great man this year, so instead of doing a secret Santa for staff, we're giving it to the Women's Refuge. So we've got a whole lot of presents there. So let's see if these girls, good afternoon ladies. We're just filming a YouTube video here today for Waikato Sheds.
You guys are going to be famous.
How have you found the party so far?
Amazing and yummy good.
Yeah, that's a highlight.
Mr. Whippy, your favourite?
Yeah.
Yeah, what about the Bouncy Castles?
Amazing.
Which one's the best one?
Buy one.
Yeah, I thought that would be the case. I want to jump on it too, but I'm a bit big now, aren't I?
I don't know, I was on there before, so I think we could see a bit of Sean on the Bouncy Castle action.
Enjoy your ice cream.
Alright, I'll try. But Merry Christmas, enjoy yourself. Alright, that's it, quality feedback coming on. Let's go out the sliding doors.
What's going on out here, Jace? Are we going to have some nice grass or?
We've been getting in behind the golf club lately, so we were thinking of just putting a mint lawn out there, but now I'm thinking putting green situation. So we've had the dudes from Adams Electrical putting in a big lights for under the tree and in the garden. KJ's been working on the lawns, Roy's been levelling it out. It's all going well, but let's follow us around and check out where the party is actually going to be going on.
We can see Mark in there already.
That's it, Mark's already in there.
He's got the kids.
He's shaking his booty in the, in the Bouncy Castles. Alright, so we're just filming a YouTube. How have you found the party so far, ladies?
Having fun?
Really good. Highlight?
Second ice cream.
Second ice cream.
You guys are lucky.
This was a half sherbet, half sprinkle, half pilly, creamy corley, half toasted.
You should get one with everything on it. Oh, that was everything. Aren't you lucky?
That's it, Mr. Whippy looking after us. Alright.
We're going to go for a ride on this, Jace.
Cruising through. We could go on a ride for that.
Yeah, free rides, guys.
Yeah,
Make sure Jace is in it.
Alright, rolling it round. That's it.
Just saying, number one.
Number one. We got Connect here. Lau, Ped Market Engineering, Scotty hiding away, City Glass, Dave. How's the party going so far?
The ice creams are cranking.
That's
Seems to be hot property, the ice creams, AJ.
Not drinking though.
not drinking. The Christmas vibes are going strong. I saw the Sparkies running past. We'll get this guy here. We're just filming our YouTube video. What have been the highlights so far? Mr. Whippy?
Yeah, and this guy not going to the Bouncy Castle.
I didn't go on it?
Yeah, I know. I've been hearing a little bit of rumour that Sean's a little scared of the Bouncy Castle.
Yeah.
We need to get him on the fire station, eh? Alright, well, excellent work. Merry Christmas.
We'll have to go check out the motorbikes and stuff. I guess we'll have to talk to Liam, see what it's like.
See what it's like, that's it. Alright, we got our man here, Liam.
444 racing.
444 racing. He's been talking out. We've got the dirt jump out there. He's planning on sending it to in the party.
There you go.
Yeah, Scotty looking after us on the socials. So, Merry Christmas. How the party been going so far?
Good. Pretty good. Right.
Love the ice cream, so gluten-free cone.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, that's it. Alright, well we gotta keep it on. Right, D, we got Dave here. Dave's actually started starring in multiple of our videos, so he's becoming a bit of a celebrity.
Yeah.
Any Christmas words for us out there?
finish up as soon as you can and make it as long as possible. Yeah.
Great advice, great advice.
Kathy's been organising this whole day, so thank you to Kathy out there. Yeah, Brigitte, Maria as well, hiring us all. Thank you, Brigitte and Maria. It's wonderful. All right, should we duck in here? We got Wes. We got a #1 celebrity here, so always important on site to have Wesley checking over
The health and
everything.
safety dog.
You'll find that he's built some of the greatest sheds for Waikato Sheds, Auto Super Shop, the Te Awamutu Castle. You'll find Wes is there, always making sure everything's straight, everything's square. All the puddles are fully checked off on site, eh Wes? Excellent work.
Good boy, Wesley.
Should we try and get the man, the myth, the legend, Brian Insole on camera? Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas, Brian.
He's been lucky. He's actually been away overseas the last wee bit, eh, Brian?
Yeah, I have. 3 weeks, just got back yesterday.
And now look at
Look
it.
what's happened.
That's it. While Brian is away, parties will be planned. That's it. All right, Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, Brian.
Any words for everybody out there?
Oh no, just a big thank you to all the people that we do business with and relate to, and look forward to keeping things going this year.
That's it. Excellent. All right. Merry Christmas. All right. All right. Should we turn it around?
No, maybe not.
That's it. We got Glenn,
You already know he's a superstar on camera.
Superstar.
superstar on the socials.
He was
Vision.
the deputy behind the barbecue as well, weren't you?
That's it. That's
Fine cuisine coming off that hot plate, I tell you, mate.
Yeah, yeah.
You'll find all the hams being sold. There might be need for some more.
We got Steve setting up the new
Steve
Jenga.
setting up. Always hooking up.
Yeah, that sounds like what's happened.
That's it. Steve, the esteemed husband of Sharon. And also the painter of extraordinaire who sorted out all of the walls, everything inside the show shed.
I did.
That's it.
It's a nice finish, nice job. Can't ask for much better.
Yeah. So you got another week of work, Steve?
I have the week of work, yes.
That's it, eh? They're squeezing us till the end.
Yeah, they are.
Well, that's it. Plans for the Christmas?
No plans at this stage. Stay home.
Stay home.
Have a relaxing one.
Have a relaxing one. All right.
Alright, onward.
We'll keep moving.
We'll keep on moving.
Oh, look at that. We got Paul and Dan.
We got the pool, the Dan. Oh, we got the race team here. We got Maria, we got Dave. How are we going? We got the bike, eh? Should we go over it? Should we check out? We brought it onto the...
You race it, yeah.
Come on and tell us about the bike. Dan the man, how are you?
Hey Dan, how's it going?
Looking good.
Drop open if you need.
Yeah.
So it looks like Paul could be at the back of the sidecar soon. Watch this space.
You'd have to have a bit of weight though, eh, to make it hold it up.
You've got to be flexible. It's more important than weight.
You got to be flexible. All
You've got to
right.
be able to move fast.
That counts me off it then.
That's it.
Size engine is it?
So it's running an R1 Superbike motor. So about 180 horsepower. Weighs about 240 kilos. Got a good power to weight ratio.
Yeah.
Can we start it up?
No, the battery's not connected at the moment. It's disconnected so people can sit in it and play in it.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah, and not mess with anything.
And how many races do you reckon we have a season?
About 9 a season.
Nice.
Yeah. Up and down the country, everywhere from Auckland down to Timaru.
Cool. It's definitely been a hot spot with the kids. They've been loving it.
Oh yeah.
What's the rain button for?
For the rain light on the back. So when it's wet, you've got to turn the rain light on. So you can be seen through the spray.
Okay.
Cool.
So it's stealth and hasty.
Stealth and hasty. That's it. Wes has been there. All right, we'll bring around Paul. Merry Christmas.
Yeah.
Cheers, Paul.
We've done some epic builds with Paul this year. What have we done? We've done the Auto Super Shop, nailed that one.
What's
Lear's Castle, Men's Shed, Morrinsville.
What's been your favourite
Today'd be the favourite.
today?
Yeah.
Today, today. Every day's a good day, especially when you're partying.
Yeah, it's my birthday.
Happy birthday!
Birthday to the best dude out there, eh?
Yeah, that's that, eh?
So you know, what can't to be happy about?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
Survived.
we survived another year, eh? Cheers to that. Merry Christmas, happy
Is
birthday.
this my birthday present?
This is actually, so Liam had prepared this one for Paul earlier. He's got it ready for it. He'd heard it was your birthday. Yeah.
Yes, the motorbike.
Yeah.
I can see
We'll
you
load it
turning
up in
to
the back
sight
of the
in this,
truck.
couldn't I?
Ride a bit of these things. Oh, yeah, they've come a long way, haven't they?
Yeah, that's it's
It's quite fresh too.
Oh, I don't know what's going on at the Bouncy Castle, but
oh, we've got a bit of a situation at the Bouncy Castle.
the kids are going crazy in there.
We got the family over here. We'll bring it over. We're doing the YouTube video, so we got RG's here, Jack D on site on the clock, working hard. Jay over from Australia. Jasmine's been rowing today, and Mosi, Mark's husband as well, or wife. That's it, caught me out, but we know who the boss is. Alright, how was rowing today, Jasmine? Great, excellent. Jay, how's New Zealand been? Jay moved to Australia a couple of years ago. Could you believe it? 14 years old, running pythons like this, so it's almost worth a flex off between these two cousins, eh? Jack's a little bit like, whoa, look at Jay. Alright, Merry Christmas to the friendly teens in the corner. We're now, the moment we've all been waiting for. Young Sean's going to be making his entrance into the Bouncy Castle.
Alright, hello, I'm coming.
Warning, here he comes. Alright, we can hear screaming. Woo! You know what's going on in there. Get him! Everybody take out Sean. That's it, wrestle him to the ground.
We got to get out of here quickly, guys. I don't know what's going to happen.
That's about enough Bouncy Castle action without a serious injury. Congratulations.
A bit sweaty and hot in there too. They got to work off all the sugar they've had from those ice creams, you know. You don't want them bouncing off the walls later when they get home, so great to have the Bouncy Castles here.
That's it. One of the things here at Waikato Sheds, you can see we work hard all year, but we want to put on a fun for the whole family, so everyone can come down, bring the kids along, see what's going on. Speaking of fun for the whole family, let's check out who's in this situation. Alright, we got Mark here.
Oh, Mark the man.
Mark the man. Yeah. Brendan's son's taking him out. He's got his daughters. Always cool to be able to show people where they're working, what's involved. And then we've also got our man Brad as well. That's it. Brad's go. Merry Christmas.
Are you going to drink?
That's it. Fist pump. What are we doing out here? We've got lights going on. Full situation.
If you guys have driven past at night, this place definitely stands out. So yeah, what's going on?
It's going to be bling. It's going to be bling.
Yeah. We're going to be lighting up the trees, lighting up our little mini putt golf course. That's it. Alright, we'll roll it up. Merry Christmas to everybody out there.
Yeah, Merry Christmas guys. Have a safe one. Enjoy your holidays. Obviously get some sun in while you can before we all get back into the offices. But thanks a lot for a great year, and obviously...
Yeah, thanks for all the support. It's been awesome. And we'll see you in 2024.
Cheers guys.